Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create a vacuuming appointment on your VIOMI S9 Alpha vacuum robot. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the Xiaomi Home and make sure that our robot is connected to the app. Now you can click on our selected robot and then click on the three dots on the top right here. And now we can under the function settings section, we can find the vacuuming appointment option. So we can click on that, and now we can create an appointment or just to select an existing one, but we don't have one yet, so we're going to click on the plus icon on the bottom, and here we can create our own. So you have a few options that you can change. So for example, repeat, how many times a week it repeats, so you can select each individual days. The vacuuming time, so what time it's going to vacuum, so you can do like 12, 13, whatever time you want. Click on confirm, and also the appointment mode, so either it can vacuum or mop or do both. Select one of those. And the suction mode, so how much suction it does. Keep in mind that it uses up more power the more you the stronger option you choose, so you can select whatever option once again. The water volume, so the amount of water that's used during the cleaning, and vacuuming range, so how much it can vacuum, so whole house or any other option that you can choose if you have enough information created. And once you're done with that, you can click on this check mark right here to create the appointment or the schedule, and you can disable it if you want to, once again in the same section. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and make sure to like and subscribe.